Hi guys, for today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my new favorite ice maker. This is the EUHOMY Pearl L1 Pro, and this is a really fast and reliable nugget ice maker. So if you're anything like me and you like to make nugget ice for your drinks at home, this is great to check out. It's very simple and straightforward and very easy to use. So the light will start off orange, and that is going to let you know that there is no water in the tank or that the water needs to be refilled. So here you can see that I am just refilling the water in the tank, and it's pretty much as simple as that. You're going to go ahead and put the ice tray back in, close it up, and push that button, and it is going to start creating ice. So within 7 to 10 minutes, you are going to have nugget ice ready and made to go. So this is perfect for your drinks in the morning, or if you like to entertain. This will make a decent amount of ice if you like to have parties and whatnot. Overall, I would say it is a pretty good quality and well-made machine. I like how it has like the clear updates. So it has the status lights, it has the window, it shows the water, the ice, and the cycle process. So you're pretty much like not left confused when using this ice maker. As I mentioned, it's pretty simple. So here we are just waiting the 7 to 10 minutes for that ice to start making. And honestly, that time goes by so quick after putting in the water. So I think that this is a really great option to check out if you're in the market for a nugget ice maker. I also think that it has a very compact and streamlined style to it without compromising the amount of ice that it actually makes. So as you can see here, it is already creating the little nugget ice. And I happen to think that this is like the perfect like soft chew ice. So I really love the type of ice that this one makes in particular. And as you can see, you can just kind of like watch it come out the window there if you like to. It's pretty simple. And honestly, it doesn't make too much noise. I think I was expecting this to be a lot louder than it actually is. So that's something that I really like. It also has really great effortless dual cleaning modes and a really powerful rinse system. So if you need to clean it out, that is super easy to keep that cleaned and maintained. It definitely has like a really nice like portable design to it. As I mentioned earlier, it's pretty streamlined, and I love like the actual construction of it because it doesn't look like an eyesore on your counter, which I think is super important when you're looking for something like this. I've used this style of ice maker before, and what I will say is they were not as fast, and I definitely was a little skeptical because I was like 7 to 10 minutes. The last one that I had, which was a different brand, obviously did not work as good as this one has been performing. So I would definitely say that this outperforms a lot of the competitors that they do have. Again, I really like that it has a portable design. It's easy to move, easy to carry, and you can actually take this with you, and I feel like it wouldn't be that difficult. So if you like to travel or you like to go to like overnight visits with family members, you could easily like bring this and have like your perfect ice for your drinks in the morning. So I think that that's another really cool feature. I also like how everything sits really nicely in the ice tray. Very easy to remove that ice tray if for any reason you wanted to do so. Another thing that I really like is the indicator lights. So that is super cool. It will indicate to you if the ice is still being made, which is when it shows blue, and then it will also indicate when the ice is done being made, which it will turn purple. So that's another cool feature, and it kind of can serve as like a night light at night to kind of get like a little mood. And then I love the fact that it has just like the side little hook for the scoop, which makes it super easy because I feel like a little scoop like this would be something that I would lose, but the fact that you can just grab it on the side is amazing. And here I am sharing with you guys, look at how perfect the ice that comes out is. Like, I cannot stress enough how this is like the perfect style of just like the little nugget ice that I think is absolutely amazing. So I definitely think if you are in the market for a portable at-home ice maker, this should definitely be the one that you check out from EUHOMY. I really do enjoy this Pearl L1 Pro for its simplicity and overall just construction and quality because I feel like it's really good, especially for the price. And they're also being kind enough and offering $40 off. So if you use my code in the description box down below, you can receive $40 off your purchase. So again, a huge thank you to EUHOMY for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.